because it's not worth it. I think it's absolutely not worth it, to be perfectly honest. It's just not worth it. It's definitely possible, and if it would mean anything, then I would go for it, but it's no need for me to risk it. I'm alone in my car. I don't know the area very well, so if I screw up, I'm stuck here on my own, which is not fun. It's unlucky, but the place is not as great as for me worth to risk anything. So of course a pain in the neck now to reverse all the way out there, but it's not that long, so it's okay. I think this will equally do it, and if someone wants, they can go past as well. Let me investigate a bit more.